Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how to make this delicious beans and corn porridge. So keep watching and let's dive in. So right here I have my corn, fresh corn. So the first thing I'll be doing is to cook the corn. All right, so I divide the corn into two. Okay, the corn is too big for my pot, as you can see. Okay, so I divide it into two, add it in my pot, and added enough water that will be able to cook it until it is very soft. Okay, and I'm going to cover it to be cooking. Okay, and I already put some water to a boil, and I added my washed beans. I do parboil these beans 2 times, okay, so as to get rid of the dark color. All right, so here I have my pepper. Okay, these are the pepper mix I will be using: onion, red bell pepper, and chili pepper. So I'll just go ahead and blend it. Okay, I put it in the freezer, that's why it is looking like so. Back to the beans, you can see the dark color like that I am talking about. Okay, so I'll parboil this twice. Okay, and after that I added enough water. Okay, enough water that will be able to cook it. Okay, so after covering it like so, I came back. As you can see, the beans is already getting cooked, so I added diced onions. Okay, and at this point I will cover it until it is cooked and very soft. While that is doing its own thing, back to the corn. As you can see, the corn is now well cooked. It is very soft now, perfect for the beans and corn porridge. If you have sweet corn, you can make use of sweet corn as well, but I prefer the fresh corn. Okay, the fresh corn is so perfect for your beans and corn porridge. Okay, so now I'm going to scrape the corn. Okay, this is how I do it, a quick and easy way. Okay, but if you don't like this method, you can just go ahead and use your hand to peel it off. Okay, but for a quick and fast cooking, okay, I prefer to use my knife to do it like so. Okay, so my husband even prefer using and to remove it one after the other, but who gets time? So I prefer to use my knife, and then sharp you are done peeling the corn. So that is that. All right, so after that I'm just going to debone my mackerel fish. Okay, so this mackerel fish is very hot. I'm going to tag the link in the description box. You can check it out. Okay, how I make it. So after deboning the fish, back to the beans. As you can see, the beans is well cooked and very soft. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my pepper mix. So after adding the pepper mix, I'll go ahead and add enough palm oil. Okay, I added enough palm oil, and at this point I'm going to add in my crayfish. Okay, I did not blend the crayfish with the pepper mix. Okay, I love to see the crayfish in the beans and corn porridge. I want to be looking at it in the corn. Okay, so I added seasoning, salt to taste. Be careful with the salt. Okay, be very careful when cooking beans with salt. Okay, so I mix it together like so, and at this point I'll cover it, and after that, look at it, the surface is surfacing. Oh my goodness, now I added my corn. Okay, the corn is not enough, so I have some that I already store in the freezer. I need enough corn in this beans and corn porridge. So right now I'll just add in my mackerel fish. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, aren't you salivating? Aren't you salivating? This beans and corn is absolutely delicious. Trust me, absolutely delicious. So I just quickly give it a quick mix like so. And if you're still watching my video up to this point and you are here to give it a thumbs up, oh my goodness, why why? Give this video a thumbs up, leave me your comment, share me out if you can, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. So I tasted and I added little salt. Okay, I need to add little salt, okay, to get the perfect taste. All right, and I'll cover it to cook on medium to low heat. And as you can see, the beans and corn is absolutely absolutely delicious. Just look at the surface. The surface is surfacing. It is surfacing, so it is ready, and I tasted. Yummy! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Serve this and enjoy with your family. Okay, this is the end of our video. If you are here to give it a thumbs up, please kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.